Hello there. So today I want to share a recipe that I love making. I am hungry. It's lunchtime right now, and I just want to walk you through this cool recipe that you could do. So we're going to start with the ingredients that I have here. I have cucumbers. I just harvest some basil here. I have some carrots, some onions, and some green onions. I have this sauce. It's called shito. It's a spicy sauce. I have some soy sauce and some harissa. And I'm gonna prepare and we're gonna start chopping all these ingredients, and then I'm gonna walk you through how we put it all together. So I wanna start with chopping the onions, get those out of the way. So you could do like dice them, quick dice, bite sizes that will be easier to use a fork to eat. You could do slices too, it's fine. So I'm just gonna add it to our bowl here. And all the vegetables here have been washed already. So make sure you wash your vegetables before you use them. I'm gonna cut the ends here, and then we're just gonna slice. You could do a thin slice, you could use a mandolin to slice this, but I'm just gonna slice it by hand. So this is a long, I think it's an English cucumber, and I like these cucumbers. They have no seeds in the middle. They're very crispy. Have this crisp and nice clean cucumber. You could grow your own cucumber in the warm season. So easy to grow them. You could grow so many different varieties you can use to make this recipe. And cucumber is full of water and nutrients, so it's really good. It cools you down. This recipe actually is it's like an Asian salad, but I took inspiration and I'm gonna add some African flavors here, FOC, to make it my own. And also, normally I've seen it with just the cucumber, but I'm adding some carrots in there, some basil, to give it a different depth of flavor. And you could do them any size. You could do them chunks. You could do them thinly sliced. Today I just felt like slicing them. All right, this is all set. I'm just gonna put it in our bowl here. All righty. You always want to taste. And these carrots are a couple days old. They've been outside. So I just want to give them some life by grating it. Let me get my grater. You can also use a food processor to do this. I'm going to use the grater. Actually, I'll just grate it in here so that I minimize the waste. So it's going to add some color, some flavor. And these carrots, look, two color. It has orange in the center and it has a red purplish hue. The variety of this carrot is called red dragon or dragon carrot. It's very delicious. And if you haven't grown it before, try growing it. It's really fun to harvest and see that beautiful color. Alrighty. And you could slice these, dice them however you want. But I just wanted to do this. To grate them is another texture. Give them a different texture. And as you see, these are too soft to grate. Oh, I'm also going to grate my garlic here to add more flavor. All about building flavor when you're cooking, when you're making food, salad. All right, and we're all done. Done with the grating. Put that aside. Now the herbs. So I got some basil. That we're gonna use, and then also some green onion. I'm just gonna cut the tip here. I'm gonna start from the root. This, you can actually grow it. I'm gonna put it in some water, and then we're gonna grow this. So I've got a little container here, a little bowl, and I'm just gonna gently put it here, and it's gonna start growing in a few days. So cool. So you could grow your scraps. I'm just gonna slice it this way. You could, anyhow you want to slice them. Add some more onion flavor in here and some more color. And we could add it, and then I'm gonna make chiffon this. Alright, that's fine. We'll finish our slicing. We'll put this over here. Now we move on to adding all the liquid flavor here. And what else do we need here? Need something to mix. So I'm gonna eyeball this. You could put tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Just about 2 tablespoons. I'm gonna add, this is shito, it's a West African spice blend. It's made with fish, shrimp, ginger, onions, garlic, and a whole lot of other flavors. It's so delicious. It's a condiment. You could put it on rice. You could put it on anything where you want some more flavor. So I thought, let me add it to this sauce, and it's spicy. Add it to this salad. Will give it some more flavor. And then this harissa is also a spice blend. It's originated in Morocco or Tunisia, North Africa. It's used over there. So I'm gonna put a little bit. Let me get a little spoon. As you see, I love spicy food, so I love to grill hot peppers and use spice. So I'm just gonna put a little bit here since I already put the shito over there. All right, and then I'm gonna mix. You can put this in a Tupperware, shake it, keep it, make it for overnight. So the more it sits, the more flavorful it's gonna be. This could be served by itself, with some proteins, as a salad, as a side dish. So this is a lot for lunch right now. I'm just gonna do a quick. And you could add some oil. So I have oil here. So from the shito, I didn't need to add some separate oil, but if you want, you could add any type of oil, olive oil, some sesame oil, and all. So good. So spicy, flavorful. I'm gonna continue eating this, but I hope you make this recipe and make it your own. You don't have to follow the recipe to the T. I cook from my heart. As you see, we eyeball things. We just put everything together and eat it. So this tastes good. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you on the next one.